A few years ago, I was just like many of you, wondering how to create a sustainable income online. I was working a 9-to-5 job, but I dreamed of financial freedom. So I dived headfirst into the digital world. It was not an easy journey, I won't lie. There were countless late nights, numerous failures, and a steep learning curve. But I persisted, and eventually I started a successful online business. It was a game changer. Suddenly, I was my own boss, setting my own hours, and best of all, earning a significant income. The potential of making money online is truly limitless. It opens up opportunities you wouldn't even believe. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and control you have over your life. And now, I'm here to share with you the steps I took and the strategies I learned to make money online. First things first, mindset matters. It's the foundation of any successful online venture. Imagine your mindset as the soil in which you plant the seeds of your online business. A positive and persistent mindset, much like fertile soil, allows your business to grow and thrive. But here's the thing, cultivating a successful mindset isn't just about positivity. It's also about setting realistic expectations. You wouldn't expect a seed to grow into a tree overnight, would you? The same applies to your online business. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Moreover, the digital landscape is ever-changing. New technologies, trends, and strategies emerge all the time. So, embracing a mindset of continuous learning is crucial. It's about adapting to changes, overcoming challenges, and constantly seeking ways to improve. Remember, the journey to online success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about enduring the tough times and celebrating the small victories. With the right mindset and preparation, you're already halfway towards your online success. Next, you need to identify your niche. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is a niche? Picture yourself in a vast market full of buyers, sellers, and products. A niche is your little corner of that market where you specialize, where you carve out your space. It's the specific audience you're targeting or the particular product or service you're offering. Why is it crucial? Because the internet is a crowded place. By focusing on a niche, you stand a better chance of being noticed, of becoming an authority, and ultimately of making sales. So how do you choose a profitable niche? Start by considering your interests and expertise. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Then validate your ideas. Research market demand and competition. Are people interested in your niche? Is there room for you? Remember, a well-chosen niche can be the foundation of your online success. Now let's delve into the different online business models. Essentially, these models are the strategies or blueprints that you'll use to make money online. Some of the most popular and proven ones include affiliate marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, and blogging. Affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's like being a digital salesman. E-commerce, on the other hand, involves selling physical or digital products directly to consumers. You could create your own products or source them from suppliers. Freelancing is about selling your skills or services to clients. This could be anything from graphic design to writing or coding. Blogging, meanwhile, is about sharing your knowledge or experiences on a specific topic and making money through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling your own products. Each model has its pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your skills, interests, and goals. Choosing the right business model is like choosing the right vehicle to reach your destination. Once you've chosen your business model, it's time to establish your online presence. Think of it as your digital handshake, the first impression that often determines whether people will want to interact with your brand or move on. A professional website or platform forms the backbone of your online presence. It's your online real estate, a place where you can showcase your products or services, share your expertise, and engage with your audience. But don't stop there. Social media channels are powerful tools for reaching and connecting with your target audience. They allow you to share content that resonates with your audience, initiate conversations, and build relationships. And let's not forget about your online brand. Your brand is more than your logo or tagline. It's what people think of when they hear your name. It's about the promises you make and the experience you deliver. So craft a brand that speaks to your audience, stands out in the crowd, and stays true to who you are and what you stand for. Remember, a solid online presence is like your virtual storefront. Make it count. Now that you're all set, let's talk about making money. Monetizing your online efforts can be achieved in several ways. First, you have advertising. This involves placing ads on your website or videos. Each click or impression can earn you a small sum. It might not seem like much, but it can add up over time. Next, we have sponsored content. This is when a company pays you to create content that promotes their product or service. It's a great way to earn money, especially if your audience aligns with the company's target market. Then there's affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income. Lastly, we have product sales. This could be anything from ebooks to merchandise. If you have something valuable to offer, don't hesitate to sell it. Remember, the goal is to turn your online presence into a money-making machine. However, to make money, you need visibility. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is a set of strategies that help your website rank higher on search engine results. Think about it. When you search for something online, how often do you go beyond the first page of results? Rarely, right? That's why it's crucial for your site to appear on that coveted first page. But SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. It requires consistent effort and adaptation to changing algorithms. Start with keyword research. Identify words and phrases that potential customers might use to find your product or service. Then, incorporate these keywords into your website content, blog posts, and meta descriptions. Don't forget about backlinks, which are links from other sites to yours. They are like votes of confidence in your content from the rest of the web. High-quality backlinks can significantly boost your visibility. With good SEO practices, you can attract the right audience to your business. Another important aspect of online business is building an email list. Now you might wonder, what's so special about an email list? Well, it's like a golden ticket to your audience's inbox, a direct line of communication that isn't dictated by algorithms. Building an email list can feel like a daunting task, but remember, it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. Start by offering something of value for free. It could be an ebook, a webinar, or a discount code to entice your audience to sign up. Once you've got them on board, it's all about nurturing that relationship. Regular, engaging emails that offer value and not just sales pitches are the key. Keep it conversational, keep it relevant, and most importantly, keep it consistent. Remember, every email you send is a touch point with your audience, an opportunity to build trust, provide value, and solidify your brand. A strong email list can be one of your biggest assets in online business. Let's not forget the power of networking and collaboration. In the bustling world of online entrepreneurship, these two elements can serve as your secret weapon. Networking, in essence, is about building relationships. It's about connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion and drive. It's about learning from their experiences, their successes, and even their failures. On the other hand, collaboration is about working together towards a common goal. It's about pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and creating something greater than the sum of its parts. Imagine collaborating with another online entrepreneur who complements your skills and shares your vision. This can lead to innovative projects, shared audiences, and mutual growth. It's a win-win situation. Remember, as an online entrepreneur, you're not alone in this journey. There's an entire community out there just waiting to connect and collaborate. So reach out, build that network, and start collaborating. Networking and collaborations can open doors to new opportunities. So, those were the steps and strategies to make money online. We've traversed the path of digital entrepreneurship together, from understanding the importance of mindset and preparation to identifying your niche. We've explored various online business models and emphasized the significance of building a robust online presence. We dove into the depths of monetization strategies and the vital role of SEO in enhancing your online visibility. We've discussed the importance of an email list and the power of networking and collaboration in this digital landscape. We've also shed light on investing in yourself and the importance of equipping yourself with knowledge and tools. We've warned you about the pitfalls and scams lurking in the shadows of the online world, and shared inspiring case studies of those who've successfully navigated this journey. Now, it's your turn to take action, implement these strategies, and carve out your digital success story. Remember, the journey of making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay persistent, keep learning, and success will follow.